Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug it in if battery is low, then unlock the phone. Next, open Settings and tap Battery. This is where Huawei keeps power modes. Once done, you can also swipe down and use the Quick Settings shortcut to reach battery options faster. It saves time. Make sure you're not in a restricted user profile because that can hide power options. Now move to the power mode list and look for Ultra Power Saving. You'll see power saving modes listed. Tap Power Mode, then select Ultra Power Saving. Once selected, tap the toggle or turn off button to exit the mode. You must confirm if the phone warns about restoring apps. This lifts app restrictions and re-enables background data. That's why connectivity returns after you disable it. Make sure you wait a few seconds for services to restart, because background processes resume incrementally rather than instantly. Once you turn off Ultra Power Saving, check Wi-Fi, mobile data, Do Not Disturb, and notification behavior to confirm normal operation. If the option is grayed out, you should charge the phone to above 20% and reboot. Huawei locks some power features at low charge. If problems persist, clear the battery app cache or boot into safe mode to test third-party apps. Only consider a factory reset after backing up if nothing else resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.